two accidents in the same intersection. Same thing happens with someone running the stop sign. Let's take a look. So you have this red car approaching the intersection, and the truck decides to run the stop sign and causes an accident. This is a two-way stop sign, which means the cars going this way, they don't have a stop sign. But the cars going this way, they do have the stop sign. And in another occasion, same thing happens. This truck decides to run the stop sign, or doesn't see it, and causes the accident here. So lesson is, if you have a stop sign, stop. At least come to a rolling stop. Make sure the intersection is clear before entering. And even if you don't have a stop sign, it's probably a good idea to slow down at least and make sure the intersection is clear before entering. So before you enter any intersection, slow down, hover over the brakes, and prepare to stop. And treat every intersection as a kill zone, because things like this happen. This person and the other car in the red, they had the right of way. They did nothing wrong legally, but it's not about being right when you're driving. It's about being safe.